enti Kelvin Taylor mesraw to me no percent this transfer che nka MPP kura egu no kura nka ye nanso yanhwe kasa ya kasa ya de to me is different from kasa ya de kura sa to me no
amema wakwaba enfawmbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame me adwoa search him mesro na wa subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news abusuafo ni pe ya okase oye NDC ni mapa na ende osu adanya Kelvin Taylor epese or the NDC party no eco position in the next 4 years. Kelvin Taylor an agenda ne. He doesn't think far. He doesn't think madness. Na branti kasi is a branti is a papu, is a cratu or chese. No otai share Kelvin Taylor ni videos or post ni videos on the platform so. Ope Kelvin asempa na kamia kwa yese Kelvin na diverting to no srena unja de oye no na o she Ghana fo abufu titru pa ne nurse Kelvin Taylor atwe cameras ni so ebe de o matem ena pese me kache bra ise aba wo de botachi no wo de boba se o to bo aboba ho a emba me adura me so ebe san so aba wa so wo she Kelvin Taylor the videos e post one platform so na ne Kelvin Taylor e di atema on ti ase na de nipa de bi nipa sen bi see at Ghana hana Kelvin Taylor all your politics are fine all the fact we adwuma bia ngu ni asem but Kelvin Taylor betumi akọ to extend say obetumi edi amanfo papa emma na oto wo ho won't ase any na no NDC for by was we be try teachers training allowance you na what the nurse dey be froze any yente because I no Koblamita Kano, Miamipa, and a health minister on the Yansen Assem. Then some will be told Yana nurses for one with them. Kelvin Taylor so my nurses for Moje Alawana in Simhuna Mudidi, Intino, and is a wow 4-3, Nasa Bako, training college, Bako, nursing Bako, secondary school, and ya buy not torn the pan, into parents be a her name, and Moka Lawan Mudia.
Video is an ameno. May they send it, per se, Nako took Kelvin Taylor, Lenim. NPP time near say omo abusing their attitude, their words, their character, everything. And JDM policy eto Ghana for enim and omo Mahama policy too mo. Titu ni enuanu ma nurse for nursing trainee any teacher trainee because the reality is say promises of allowance ekufado de ma wo mo no anko so they bought into the idea of Mahama policy. And then answer now your video or your program. And the way I want it, Yenuano, my one name, Rantia, Moya nurse for Kasaya. In fact, a very hurting. I am very, very hurting.
Hannes, how I do to say, I buy video be a BM Kojilone. Osia no to Tiasia Jai School no. Obia Po Bia Chow. Massa, so I want Tiasia Kodoku. The way is your front. A kind of that no free school ho. When you see Kakoto, perfume gugu ho. When you see Kakoto, pons a chewenim, uche you draws every week. O persona say the piano, what I was getting, yes, I'm more than in the Upotam.
I saw Kelvin Taylor and Saka video. I'm not a mere video with all due respect, Kelvin Taylor, with all due respect. You were a semi candidate to me, and you were and semi at the crowd to me. So, who to me, and semi Obekano should be different from say, and semi Obeka abra, what you to me, you know. NPP time near say omo abusing their attitude, their words, their character, everything. And JDM policy eto Ghana for enim and omo Mahama policy too mo. Titu ni enuanu ma nurse for nursing trainee any teacher trainee because the reality is say promises of allowance ekufado de ma wo mo no anko. So they bought into the idea of Mahama policy. And then answer now your video or your program. And the way I want it, Yenuano, my one name, Rantia, Moya nurse for Kasaya. In fact, a very hurting. I am very, very hurting. Say, a nurse for me because school, Naso Munkonko, Sia, the Anamu, a binum, Umpocase, a binum. Naso Mukoe, who capo, Mukoe, then you. Policy bank again a more venture into that business, no. na say eye sa na ti a en say ben na ye at the stop wom say on be engage in that act. But Kelvin Taylor, on your show, you resorted to attacking, verbally abusing, insulting our fellow sisters, mothers, brothers, one more called nursing training. Which to me, I did mean say it was very, very, very unprofessional. And yet, see, the casa say they best so and near my so, yeah, they about address issues. And then I tell you, say, 4 years pet and a I am one of your fans. I respect you so much. Sometimes I share your programs. Sometimes I follow you. Sometimes on various platforms on social media, I attack people who attack you. But to me, on this very occasion, say a nurse for no see a kind of money. Abra the sector minister, Efa Sebio Nyansa, Kwansu no ma kasa chire no matin sebe. Dan wuti o program so na o ka ensema ayeya. E man no ko Jessica de ko pons. Sabio. Ya wa manu bia. Wasora no pon ko ba bia. O pons wa dress kama. Emrofu kom ya emrofu pons wo mutwi. So when you scan now the ko pons down to me you scan fan to aduane a. Enya sani kasa Kelvin Taylor samu yesa ho mama mahama after 4 years 2 minutes be free answer after 4 years say because we are just a month in Mahama's administration na say na ya dey address issues on social media. Kelvin Taylor, with all due respect, with regards to your name, with respect to your program and your followers and your ghost team, this one it was over the bar. I am not the one to advise you. I am not the one to say that, but I am telling you the gospel fact. As someone who catch a nurse for no grassroots for, they are not happy. They think that we are deceiving them. They think that we deceive the nurses, the voters, and after we need the election, we are telling them whatever we want. Even Mahama, Mahama mpa wa president wakache ministers they say omonhwe mo kasa ye omonhwe mo suban ye enti ye ne wo social media ye campaign ye promote Mahama government. We should not use certain words about bringing say pains because already it's not fair. Kelvin Taylor, you went overboard. Now say ya Yania di Subai after Mahama administration 4 years, a bad thing because I don't know, say in the next 6 months, issues say baba any reaction say be making. And to Kelvin Taylor, Miss Rao 2 million percent this transfer can people kura gunu kura nke now so yan share kasa ya did to me is different from kasa ya de kura sa to me see who kasa de ba kura to me na adie kutayen pa ne de che adie kutayen ne de che because ye hu kasa de ba kura sa to me na be hayen say e mani bi at omo so mu ko school na mo na bitin plan mo tan omo ji allowance na no mo de bon kwan omo ji allowance na no mo de si dan omo no mo force aban sa aban mo allowance enya mo no mo force wo. And if we have alternative, we should know how to address the issue by not inflicting some wounds in their hearts. Me as NDC communicator, advocacy, as NDC sympathizer, I was pained when I heard you saying this because some of them, anything they could be our relatives.